Speak smarter every day. Word Explorer. Baffled. 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 Meaning: confused or puzzled, not able to understand something. Example: the math problem was so tricky that it baffled the entire class. Comment: what's something that totally baffled you recently? Speak smarter. That is idiom. In hot water. Meaning: in trouble or facing consequences for something you did. Example: she got in hot water at school for not submitting her homework on time. Comment: have you ever been in hot water? Tell me in the comments. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.